video is going to be about what if Marques Brownlee didn't do that Humane AI Pin review. And I'm also going to be talking about, in the video, what is the Humane AI Pin. But first things first, before I get to that, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so that way you can be notified for future LavonCason videos and future LavonCason YouTube shorts. So let's get to the video. Okay, let's say if Marques Brownlee didn't do that Humane AI Pin review, what was the fate of the product then? Well, honestly, what it seems like to me, based on what I looked up, it seemed very negative. I mean, look at what The Verge said for its headline, man. I mean, Humane AI review. The post-smartphone future isn't here yet. What else? The Humane AI Pin review, a promising mess that you don't need yet. So, probably wondering to yourself, what is the Humane AI Pin? Well, it's pretty much a device that allows you to do things that you can already do with your phone, such as, see notifications, take photos and videos, play music, and take calls, stuff like that. Stuff that a phone basically already does. So, a lot of people are probably wondering to themselves, based on the information that I just gave you on the product itself and what it does, why do I need this product? Why do I need to pay $700 and pay for a subscription where I can already do a lot of those things on my smartphone that I have right now? Simple. It's a product that you don't need right now. Just stick with your smartphone that you have, and you'll be saving money just by doing that. So in conclusion, even without Marques Brownlee's video of the Humane AI Pin, the product would still not be worth it just based on the reviews that were shown in today's video. Now let's hope that Humane is listening to all of the feedback and all of the criticisms of the Humane AI Pin, and let's hope in the second iteration they can correct those mistakes. And maybe by then, that second iteration of that product might actually be, considered decent by tech reviewers and Marques Brownlee. But anyways, what do you guys think of the Humane AI Pin at this point? Let me know in the comment section below this YouTube video. This is LavonCason signing out in peace, and thanks for watching. So now that you have made it to the end of the video, I want you guys to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and when you hit that notification bell, you gotta hit all notifications, so that way you can be notified for future LavonCason tech videos, future LavonCason gaming videos, future LavonCason live streams, and also other videos that I do, such as, reaction videos and things of that nature. Bye.